Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Danny. Today I'm going to be doing my November plan with me, my monthly view, and I'm using this beautiful kit from Made by Elissa. She doesn't make these anymore, but I bought this quite a while ago, so I'm going to use it. There's lots of beautiful functional items in this as well as some decorative. I'm also back into my Foxy Fix Moonlit for this month. It is spring, so this is perfect. I do have a setup video for this beautiful spring setup, so check the description box for the link to that. I'm planning this in my Natty Planning monthly insert, so this has a full year's worth of monthly views. And there's the layout, very nearly finished. This one, almost through 2018, can you believe it? I'm also using a few washies here. I don't end up using all of these, but I definitely want to use that plaid because I haven't had a chance to use that yet and I've been dying to. So I'm just going to speed through the rest. I really hope you enjoy watching this, and don't forget to give me a subscribe if you aren't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!